Hello everybody and welcome in. This is my second attempt at this video here. I got interrupted and then my phone stopped recording. The things we had talked about was, we paid off that incline that we set up yesterday, and we moved Norma's house up to next to where Coach is. We are currently at the hotel changing one of the outfits. I made a new design for the orchard. I made a pear sign, and Gulliver was here on the island today and I dealt with him. Our plans for today, for day 21, is doing a hotel room and doing a Kapp'n Island and stripping absolutely everything we can from the Kapp'n Island. And then we'll just kind of see where we're at time-wise after that. We might go to Harv's as well. Get some art maybe. Alright, so this is what we've done to the outfit. It was a long sleeve shirt and pants and sneakers before. Now it's like a straw hat and a short sleeve shirt and some worn jeans and these sandals. And my glasses. So I wanted to change one of the outfits. Currently my character's not wearing her glasses, which is weird. I'm gonna get this towel rack for my bathroom. And we're gonna talk to Grams and look at what she's got. I think I'm gonna get a flower planter. And we'll call that. And then we're gonna come over here and talk to Leilani. We're gonna do a guest room. Let's see what options she gives me. We'll go with Kitty. I'm gonna change them all afterwards to kind of be like the same, just like different colors, so that it'll match the island vibe more. But I like having fun. And checking out the items. So let's see. Ooh, lacquer card. Like that. Alright, let's see, what do they got here? Do I have a plain wall? I have a plain wall. That worked nicely. Like that. And then I like the flooring, but let me just check to see. Yeah, no, I don't have really anything that will go with it. So we'll keep the floor. Do I want to use the raised bed? I don't think I want to use the raised car bed. Let me look at the colors. No, I don't want to use the raised car bed. Let's look to see what I've got for beds. That'll help make the final decision here. I like the idea of a bunk bed. What about the patchwork bed? That's nice. I think we're gonna do a bunk bed though, because I like the idea of that. And I'm gonna do a white frame, and I'm thinking I want to do this space sheets. So we're gonna go ahead and tuck that in the corner there. I like the idea of them having a little kids tent as well. And I like the blue. I seem to be going for like heavy blue. What, Baba? Decorating a room. Decorating a room. I don't really like this table either. Let's find something better. Alright, table. I think we're gonna go with the block table. And we're gonna do vivid. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm thinking that will go there. Some chairs. Let's look at the mitt. No, I don't like the mitt either. Let's get a radio. Look at this clock. I'm gonna do the red because I feel like it'll stand out more. We're gonna do the blue. And I kind of want it right, want one there, and then one above the table. Let's find like a bench or something. Let's see. Maybe just the classic. And we'll go with white. Okay, let's move this. We'll get a couple of the kitty things, so like a house and a car, all set up there. Get toy box. We'll do the blue one. I'm going to move the toy box to here. And I want to get these blocks in the Vivid. And then let's get the painting set. And actually, I think I'm gonna shift. we want to switch the calico and the Tinrola. And then I want another activity. So maybe this puzzle. Do a custom design and have it be the flag. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna rotate that, put that in the corner, put that there, put that next to it, and then go onto the wall. Bring that there. I want the glow in the dark stickers. We're gonna do stars, I think. And we're gonna do them on this wall. And then we're gonna get a corkboard. We're gonna do whites. Do another custom design. And we're gonna put this here. We're gonna get more of these stickers too, I think. What is this? Oh. That's cool to know. We're gonna get the stars still. We're gonna put some there too. We're gonna rotate. I want to get this clacker card. Bow. Can we look at the baseball set? What more toys? Black and silver. Okay. I think that's good. Very full, but you can still get around everywhere. long city. So now let's go to a kapp'n island. Alright. Off we go. We're gonna do a kapp'n island. And then I will show you where I moved to Norman's house and the new thing, and I mean you already knew where the incline was, I just finished it. Let's go. Let's go to a kapp'n island. Captain always deserves an applause. Ew, we got vines. Those vines will be coming home with me. Alright, first things first, fishes. Any sharks, any shells, any DIYs along the ocean. No. Nothing. No bidon. Nothing big. Oh, I'm so excited for the glow moss. Sorry. I love the glow moss, if you couldn't tell. You got a DIY, and it's probably something glow mossy. It's a glow moss forest wall. Okay. No shocks. I think I'm looking for a wharf roach as well. So if there's a wharf roach, I'll take it. Doesn't look like there is. I'm gonna grab this mug because I do need to. Oh, wow, brain! I do need to catch 5 bugs. We're gonna chop all the trees because I need more regular wood. I only have 20 pieces back on them. So that is the next task: is the trees. Let me look at my bush list here. What kind of flowers are those? I think those are azalea. Let me check. Either way, they're coming home with me, so it doesn't matter. But plumeria. Did I not write down plumeria? Hydrangea, azalea, holly, camilla. Wow, I'm a fool. So it's painted white. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're going to be taking as much as we can. I am going to probably just take a few. We're going to like leave the plumeria for last. I'm going to grab one of each at least though, just so that I know I have one of each. So we're going to grab the white one as well. And that way I just know for certain I have those, because I'm trying to get all of them. Sorry, let me just beat you with my foot. So now I know I have at least one of each. Well, grab some glow moss. Taking everything. But I don't want any of your business right now. I'm busy. Dang mosquitoes. Here, get all the stuff from up here. Here. This is diggable right there, which is good. Cute. Kind of looks like a heart. This little patch of sand. Whoops. There we go. Gyroid fragment. Shovel died. Okay. vine right there. Like that. Make a new shovel real quick. I think, yeah, I should have plenty of wood to do so. Maybe I won't, actually. Yeah, maybe I won't. We're gonna grab that other vine over here. And we're gonna use up my last couple spots for some bugs because I need to get 5 bugs. So, a couple of bugs. I don't want to go back up there though. So. There's multiple down yet. Get myself a fish. One that I think might be whatever type of fish. Our knife jaw. Let us be semi-big. That's maybe our knife jaw. I'm not very good about the sizes. Besides the really big ones. Or the ones that are like super skinny. That's okay. It's an olive flounder. Let's go. Ready to go home. Yep. So we got some more dirt from the fruit. Alright, another song. A sad TV show. Oh, I didn't realize kapp'n watched TV. Alright, so we are back on our home island here. So let's go ahead and show you where I put Norma and meet Rasher. Because we haven't met Rasher yet. So we're going to go ahead. Come on over here. This is Rasher's house. He will not be staying here because the plan is for this to be like the duck farm. So he will not be staying in this location. So there's Rasher. And then here, which is where Coach and Norma will be. Here's Coach right there. Coach. So Coach is in the back here with this little like regular woods orchard. So he's got like the bamboo, the regular oak trees, and then the cedar trees. And then over here, this is where Norma's gonna be. Norma's gonna have an incline going up here into the fruit orchards. So we have all of these. And I did make a new custom design. Let me show it to you. Last night, I made a new custom design for pears. I'm not 100% on it. I think I need to change it just because the pear is very green. I think I'm going to change it, to be honest with you. Because I'm not feeling sure about it because it's the only one that has the white outline. Like the peach doesn't have the white outline. See? The peach doesn't have a white outline. So, I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm kind of sitting on it because I worked a while on it. I did some of it last night. I still like this one. This one I'm very happy with. I want to change the clouds, I think, at some point so that all the clouds are the same, but otherwise I like it. But yeah, that's that. Let's go ahead to my house and drop off some stuff. So we're going to drop off the glowing moss, the vines, the regular wood, you know, the stuff like that. So glowing moss, vines. I know I need the regular wood. I don't need the hardwood or the softwood. Those will both get sold. I'm not sure which one of these I need though. Sorry about that. And I do have that hotel towel rack, so we're gonna come on over here and put that in. I'm gonna shift again because, oh, I already have a towel rack. Well, it looks like I have another towel rack. Oops, I forgot. Whoopsie. I forgot I had one. There we go. Sorry about that. Dropped my controller. There we go. This room is relatively empty right now. Speaking of, I can actually look. I need the clay. I don't need any of the other stuff. But I want to look at what I've got for wallpapers and tiling and stuff, and maybe other stuff that can go in this room. I don't really have anything that could go in this room. I could put the waste bin. If I turn the toilet, I can put the waste bin next to it. And I just need the clay for those. I'm gonna put the colorful juice in there. going to put this away because I'm going to keep it for someone else. Okay. I get 3 pieces of dirt, by the way, for the 3 stacks of fruit we have. Because once I get all my like home loans, not the storage ones, but all the ones that expand the actual house itself, I will add the other members of my family. So I'll do one and then I'll pay off all their home loans and then the next one. So on and so forth. Let's see. Let's do both. That's Canberra. Billy. And I do have to decide what flowers I want to use. I'm pretty sure I want to use the yellow cosmos because those do look like some of the flowers that I have in my bits, in my custom designs here. So. Is that a bug? No. Sometimes it's hard to tell when they're all glittering at me. We're just gonna fill up our pockets and then we'll call it Sprocket. I don't like Sprocket, can you tell? We got another one. I love that gnome. Got a drone beetle. Oh, well, there goes that. Oops. Having a day. Grab some fishes. And some shells, whichever goes. Looks like shells. Alright. Well, let's craft. It wants us to craft, so we'll craft. Let's make some tools. We need a shovel. We're gonna make it the better one. And we need a net. And we'll make it the better one. So there's that. Let's get those nook miles. Gotta love the nook miles. Wants us to change our clothes, but it also wants us to cook, so that works out pretty good. We and make our way down. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm home bound. And we're actually going to get our shovel out real quick, and we're going to drop stuff that we can. So these 2 bushes that we got, drop those. And then our gyroid fragment, we're going to drop that right in front of our house, make it easy. We're going to wire that up real quick. I do want to make like the gyroid's like own designated space eventually. I think that would be really cool. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs into my bedroom. Because up here is my bedroom. Cute. Let's get dressed. Let's get changed. I want to put my glasses on. And we're going to put on the bandana. And we're going to put on a pair of jeans. No, actually. We're going to go with the corduroy skirts and the tube top. And it wants us to earn bells, which is what we're going to do next. And I need you. And I miss you. So we're going into the kitchen and we're going to go ahead and make some sugar because I know we need that. I know we didn't have any more of it, so we're going to put that back in storage. We're going to readjust this. There we go, perfect. And now wants us to customize. We can definitely do that on our way to Nook's Cranny. I did order my Norma poster, so it should be here tomorrow. So she'll be up here next to Cherry. And I'm gonna need to, next time we go to Harv's Island, take a picture of Rasher so that we can get his poster as well. Speaking of, I should write that down so that I don't forget, because I have got the memory of a goldfish. And I need you, and I miss you. I got a horse, mackerel, horse, mackerel. Looks like Ken and Canberra are talking. Canberra, I don't know how you say it. Alright, let's go ahead and customize. I'm not going to do the wooden shop sign because I do want to sit on that peach design a little bit before I do anything. So we're going to customize the fishing pole. You know what? I am going to do that sign. I'm going to do it, and I can always change it later. And it's the dark wood. Yeah, I really am not sure how I feel about it. But it's dark, man. Alright, so that is done. So I can't customize that. So that must be something that you have to customize with Reese and Cyrus. So I'm just going to sell it, honestly. Alright, I've got one more space. So let's go ahead down here. Try to catch another fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. So if you've made it this far in the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see more. And leave a comment. Who is your favorite villager? And how do you think you say that? Is it Canberra or Conberra? I don't know. So let's go ahead and sell everything. Boom. 19,605. Let's get those Nook miles, man. Alright, we're going to head to resident services, drop off some money in the ABD, and we're going to call it a night. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you guys had fun watching. And please go ahead, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all